The Vivo X90 Pro is the latest Android flagship smartphone to launch in India. The company has also launched the Vivo X90 along with it. In India, the X90 Pro is positioned as the successor to the Vivo X80 Pro review, since it is priced upwards of Rs. 80,000. Technically, the Vivo X90 Pro Plus would be the true successor to last year's X80 Pro, but Vivo hasn't announced that for other markets other than China. With the X90 Pro, Vivo is now the second smartphone brand in India to launch a phone with a 1-inch camera sensor. The Vivo X90 Pro and the X90 are the only two smartphones in India currently to feature the flagship MediaTek Dimensity 9200 SoC.